Hey guys, whoa god, what's going on everybody? It is Ty back with another video, and if you can't tell, there is a vehicle behind me. This is a 2018 Dodge Charger. It's pretty cool. I'm stepping all over a cord. So what are we gonna do in here? And why is there a level? Why is there a level over here? Why is that there? I'm not even anywhere near. Why is the level there? Well, that's a very good question. Which is the purpose of this video, and hopefully the title of the video. So basically what we're doing with this is we're removing the stickers from the dealership because this car is, you know, it's pretty new. It's got about 3,000 on it. But we're gonna take the stickers off, and we're gonna put this wonderful sticker here. So if you can't read that, it simply reads, "In God We Trust." Now, hopefully coming out soon, there'll be a full video on it. But essentially, this is Project Pursuit. Or Project Patrol. It's Pursuit or Patrol, whatever I named it. Anyways, basically the principle of this is make it look like a bad A cop car that's undercover. So the first thing we're gonna do is put on "In God We Trust," window tints next, and hopefully a ram bar and some lights. Hopefully we'll see. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump in the time lapse. If you can't tell, the it's dirty, but I have some Chemical Guy soapy water, courtesy of Chris Fix, I wish. But yeah, I don't even want to touch it, but you can just see how it is. Out where I live, the pollen is really, really bad. But we're gonna make do with what we got, and we're gonna see what we can do. So let's go ahead and jump the time lapse. Alrighty, part 1, stickers.
Covering up your fears, it's getting harder to see that you are reaching out for me.
Let me be the one who moves you through the crowds, away from the awful truth. I can find a place to put you. You'll be safe hiding away with me.
We'll find a safe hiding place. Your light will guide us on the way.
You can be my secret in the night. If you ever need a place to hide,
I'll be a flashlight.
Well, would you look at that? No more sticker there. Now it's time to clean off this part of the bumper and put our lettering right here.
I've got the fuel that can set you off. I'll be happy to lie here and burn. You'll be gone in a second. We're young and we're reckless. I guess we'll never learn.
because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. We can stay out here till the sunrise. If the world thinks they can hold me back, I'ma let them in on a surprise.
I've been thinking of all the places I've been and the places that I wanna be. If you ain't ready for all the involved, then I guess you ain't ready for me. I swear that
we'll find a safe hiding place.
your light will guide us on the way. You can be my secret in the night.
Okay, here we go, guys. No truth. We've got the T off. S U R T E W D O G N I. Alrighty. First part. Most satisfying part. Whoa. Now that looks good right there. I'm almost kind of tempted to take them off and put it in black instead. I feel like it might match the Charger, the whole gray thing a bit better. Get you guys off this. Ooh, that is nice. That is really nice. It looks like it sticks out of place, but it'll conform with the car soon. Anyways, my battery's about to die. It's probably gonna cut out. Anyways, I have been Ty from Baker Auto Detail. Hope you guys did enjoy. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're curious about any music that's been playing lately. Link in the description. It's from 99 Labs. I believe it's album 99. Anyways, my camera is saying shut it off, or I will for you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.